in Greystone Farm. Tignan nyo guys, sobrang ganda ng swimming pool niya. At nandun ba sa taas, pwede, may camp, kung gusto nyo mag-camp, may bahay dyan na camp. And pwede ka magluto dyan, and dyan, camping. Merry Christmas everyone! Kapag gusto nyo sulitin yung Christmas nyo, dito na kayo sa Greystone Farm. Sobrang ganda talaga guys, sobrang sulit nito. Okay guys, maligo na tayo. Bye-bye. Sayang, hindi ko nadala yung goggles ko guys.
Han, 30 minutes na lang ha. Basa na taan eh.
Ay ko ba saan?
Share, share.
Let's done yet.
Smile, smile. Langoy, ate. Kamakaw ko na siya.
Down kayo. Okay, wait up. Don't allow to watch you. Mama,
Nakasugba mo?
go outside. Very good. Go, Mama.
Mga gamit ko. Okay.
Palaban lang tag floating ani kay dita ka mahusungoy. Kay ka mo daw ate.
I'll go under.
Sige, sige.
I'll go under.
Ay, anya ra ate please.
Race na. Float. Float race. Down.
Go na.
I'll go under.
Ate sabi will go under ate. Hadlock man siya.
I'll go under you.
Sige.
Yeah.
Kalayo sad nimo. Oy, diris tunga.
Bye-bye.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Today is October 26. December 26. We are here in Greystone Farm in Busay. And look at my lashes, guys. Tatlo na lang yung natira. Guys, time check 4 p.m. na. Dumating kami dito ng 2 p.m. Yeah, natagalan kami kasi na traffic kami sa Manipis. And then, yeah, yun. Nag-grant lang kami ng videoke room and at saka nag-ihaw-ihaw din kami, guys. So, sinulit namin yung bakasyon, guys. Nag-holiday kami. Kaso, maulan lang talaga. Maulan ang panahon. So, napakalamig dito. Nagpa-fog pa nga eh. Christmas kami sa Pinamungahan. And then, kanina lang kami pumulik ng city. Para dito. And the kids are happy. They are enjoying the pool and the food and everything. And the fog also. Very cold, no? Oh my God, it's raining, guys! Yeah, are you happy, babe?
Happy.
Are you happy? Yes?
Oh.
Very cold? So maybe it's raining man, oy! Oh no! It's raining! Oh my gosh, guys! It's raining! Woo!
Money.
Girls, let's go, girls! Last one na lang na, please! Very tugnaw na! Ate Safi na lang nag-adjust. Okay. Very good, Bikizaya. Wow. Good.
I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. They just don't belong.
You have given me so many times to feel alive. You, my God, my word is after all. And though I love you so, separation finds its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all my heart.
Picturean tamo, Bi.
No, where is my wallet?
I don't know. Wallet pa ka.
Wala bag!
Nana si Papa, ti.
Lagi ito bumangat na sa balay.
Balay. Sige na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye-bye, Bliss. Bye-bye. Thank you kayo. Bye-bye, Sam.
Bye!
Kuya Jared, bye. Ate Sai.
Oy!